the best live football application out there today. So make sure you go ahead and watch the full tutorial so you can know how to use the application to watch football live, any match at all. So make sure you watch the full video and stay tuned. Once you open the application, it will start loading immediately and it will take a while to load. So make sure you have a good internet connection. You may see some ads here. As you can see, all I gotta do is just tap on next forward button and just pretty much skip off the ads, and let me just fix this one off. So that's just pretty simple. But once you've done all that, you pretty much will see this is the home screen of the application. You can see all the football leagues that they have available, and do make sure you swipe down to refresh the list to get the updates and everything. Over here, the three lines, nothing much, just the rate option and so forth. So let's say, for example, you want to watch, there's probably a live match going on in the English Premier League. Just tap on the English Premier League option there, and you will see pretty much all the live matches that are playing right now, as you can see, and also the future matches down here. So all you got to do, make sure you have the internet connection. If you don't have internet connection, it will not work properly. So just make sure you have good internet connection, and all you got to do is just pretty much tap on one of these live events, so you don't have to do anything else, and make sure you enable the landscape mode on your device, and yeah, you're pretty much good to go. So very simple application, very straightforward, very good at everything. Only problem that you would have is that you need a good internet connection. However, very great application. And with all that, guys, if I miss anything at all, or you need help on anything related to this application, you can comment below. And that's pretty much it. See you in the next one.